Understanding Instagram slang, what MBN really means. Social media is filled with its own unique language, especially on platforms like Instagram. One popular acronym you might have seen is MBN. So, what does it really mean? Let's dive in. What does MBN stand for? MBN stands for must be nice. It's often used in a sarcastic or envious tone. When someone shares a post showing off something extravagant, like a luxurious vacation or a new car, you might comment MBN to express that while you think it looks great, you're also wishing you could have it too. How it's used. Context is everything with slang. For example, if a friend posts a picture of their tropical getaway, a comment saying MBN can convey a playful sense of longing or envy. It can also be used jokingly among friends, suggesting lighthearted teasing about their enviable lifestyle. The impact of MBN on engagement. Using slang like MBN can increase your engagement on posts. It shows you're up to date with current trends and helps create a more casual, relatable atmosphere in your interactions. It can also spark conversations, leading to more comments and likes on your posts. Alternative meanings. It's worth noting that MBN can have different interpretations depending on the context or region, so always consider how it fits in the conversation. Understanding these terms can help you navigate social media more effectively and join in on the fun. So next time you see MBN, you'll know exactly what it means. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.